Told you guys I would be back with another glamorous hair tutorial. This time it is my bouquet bun. And my bouquet bun is made out of pipe cleaners. So here we are. Here's this big old bun for my big old head. Now let's go. Okay, first I start with my freshly twisted hair, put up into a ponytail. And as usual, I use the same pipe cleaners from Michael's. With my hair being so long, I usually have to purchase new pipe cleaners. You can watch my previous video to see how I make the O's. And what I do is I start from the perimeter of my ponytail to create the base for what looks like a bouquet. And as you see, I'm creating what I call my pipe cleaner O's. You can look back at my lock bob video to see how to form those. And right now, I'm just putting them in completely around the perimeter of my hair so that I can create a wider base. For me, I like width and I like height when it comes to a bun. Monster buns are my thing. I like big buns, I cannot lie. And so that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, they stack up pretty quickly, but there's still so much more hair to go. So just stay tuned in so that you can see exactly what it's going to look like. And as you're actually putting the pipe cleaners in, sometimes you may have to readjust them or kind of restack or reshingle just to give it some kind of order. I know that everyone does their hair differently, but I like my hair to be perfect and I like my hair to be neat, and that's kind of how I work when it comes to my different hairstyles. I can do a disheveled look sometimes, but not a lot. Okay, so as you can see, I've done quite a few layers, maybe like 3 layers around the perimeter, and I just keep stacking and stacking and stacking as if I were building something like, maybe like a brick cylinder, but imagine you building a cylinder with a dome on top. So with some of my pipe cleaners, I'm actually not rolling them all the way down to the base so that I can have a little bit of height and a little bit of width. What that does is it creates some stackable space so that you can build a dome on top. As you saw, my hands just make the formation of a dome. And I know the video, looks really fast and my hands are moving pretty quickly. Once you get the hang of forming the O's to put in your hair, it's actually really easy. And what I do is I put all of these in my hair, and I honestly wear my hair like this for a couple weeks so that, I can have something cute and not have to do anything to my hair other than just tie it down at night. And as you see, you can start to see the shape coming. I'm obviously tired of it right here, but keep going. So I continue, and I'm almost at the end. So at the end, you have to make sure that those last pieces are laid right, because you don't want it to be flat on top. That looks kind of silly. So sometimes with the top ones, I would suggest rolling it down just a tad bit. Not too tight, but not too loose either. Just gauge it based on what your bun is looking like. I like mine to actually look like a wedding bouquet, tall and high. I did my measurements. I know it sounds silly, but it's about 6 inches tall. And with my hair coming past my butt, that works for me. As you can see the top. And now it's time for the glam, because hair first, then glam second. Here we go. Ah. I know, but I love the way it turned out. I love the fact that I can be flirty and fun with it, but I can also take this into a corporate boardroom. Here, I'm just giving you face, and I'm showing you, the sides of it, And, you know, it gets really high. So here are my stills, serving a little face. And here is another picture of the detailed part of the bun. Feel free to show me what you guys have come up with. If you have maybe a variation of this style, or if you've tried it out, feel free to tag me. I would love to see it. I look forward to making another video and showing you guys soon. Bye.